Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky with two drones that promise to make you the Spielberg of the skies. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, and on the right, the budget-friendly SYMA drone. Which one should you buy? Let's find out. First up, let's talk price. The Holy Stone HS720 will set you back $249. Ouch, that's a lot of dough. On the other hand, the SYMA drone is a wallet-friendly $99. That's right, folks, for the price of a fancy dinner, you can own a drone. But remember, you get what you pay for. So does the Holy Stone give you $150 more fun? Let's see. Alright, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. You can capture your neighbor's bad haircut in ultra-high definition. The SYMA, however, has a 1080p HD camera. Still decent, but not quite the retina-burning clarity of 4K. If you're looking to start your own drone-based nature documentary, the Holy Stone is your guy. For casual Instagram shots, SYMA will do just fine. Next, flight features. The Holy Stone is like the Tesla of drones. It has GPS-assisted intelligent flight, so it won't get lost like your car keys. It can follow you around, fly in circles, and return home when its battery is low or it loses signal. Meanwhile, the SYMA drone has optical flow positioning, which is fancy talk for it hovers better. It also has a nifty flight path mode through its app. Draw a path and watch it go. It's like magic, without the wand. Battery life. The Holy Stone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. That's almost an hour. SYMA's got 2 batteries too, but they give you 40 minutes. So Holy Stone wins this round. But hey, 40 minutes is still enough time to scare your cat or impress your friends. For user experience, the Holy Stone is packed with features like one-key start-stop, emergency stop, and electric fence. It's like having a personal drone butler. However, SYMA is super user-friendly with headless mode, altitude mode, and one-key takeoff/landing. It's perfect for kids or anyone who's, let's say, technologically challenged. If you can operate a toaster, you can fly the SYMA. When it comes to reviews, the Holy Stone HS720 is praised for its advanced features, stability, and quality, making it a great choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Users love its GPS functionalities and impressive camera. On the other hand, the SYMA drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it a perfect entry-level drone, especially for kids and beginners. So which drone should you buy? If you've got the cash and you're serious about your aerial photography, the Holy Stone HS720 is a no-brainer. It's packed with high-end features and an amazing camera. But if you're on a budget or just starting out, the SYMA drone is a fantastic choice. It's fun, easy to use, and won't break the bank. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!